Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're in the United States or everywhere in the world and ready to start your web development journey from absolute zero, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through setting up your full coding environment using Visual Studio Code, installing the best extensions, creating your project folder, and building your very first web page, all step by step. So let's get started. First, we're going to install Visual Studio Code, the most popular code editor in the US for beginners and professionals. Step 1. Go to the official website, code.visualstudio.com. Step 2. Click Download for Windows or Mac. Open the installer named VS Code User Setup. Click Next, keep the default options, and check the boxes. Add Open with Code and Add to Path. Click Install and wait a few seconds. Congratulations! VS Code is now installed. Now let's install the extensions that American developers commonly use. Open VS Code. Click the extensions icon on the left. Search and install these must-haves. Live Server. Auto-reload your website. Prettier, clean, and beautiful code. ES7 React snippets. The best JavaScript shortcuts. HTML CSS support. Smarter HTML plus CSS programming. JavaScript ES6 snippets. Auto-rename tag. Auto-close tag. Path IntelliSense, Material Icon Theme, CSS Peak. And for advanced workflows, install GitHub Pull Requests, GitLens, ESLint. These extensions make your coding faster, easier, and more professional. Next, let's create your project folder. Create a new folder named Web Development Basic. Inside it, create the following structure: Web Development, index.html, style, style.css, JS, script.js, and images. This is the exact folder style most US developers follow. Now open VS Code. Click File, then Open Folder, and select your web development folder. Great! Your workspace is ready. Inside VS Code, create a file named index.html. Copy and paste this beginner-friendly HTML structure. Next, go to the Style folder and open style.css. Paste the following styling to make your first web page look clean and modern. Now open the script.js file in the JS folder. Paste this simple JavaScript function that shows a welcome message. Time to see your website live. Right-click on index.html. Select Open with Live Server. Your browser will automatically open and show your first web page at localhost 5500. Anytime you save your file, your page reloads automatically. And that's it. Your coding environment is now fully set up, just like developers across the United States. You installed Visual Studio Code, added essential extensions, created your folder structure, built your first web page, and ran it with Live Server. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment USA Web Dev, so I know you want more beginner-friendly tutorials.